is led by Red 1 squadron leader Jim Turner. He's just called them into 7 arrow formation. The jets now close up to be about 8 feet apart as they form one big red arrow a mile above us in the sky. Jim is a former Jaguar weapons instructor and Jaguar display pilot. It's his first year leading the team, but he was a wingman with the Red Arrows from 2005 to 2007 and spent 2 years as part of the synchro pair. The smoke comes on, the team are forming shuttle formation. The 4 aircraft on the wings now drop back to be a Beam Red 6's jet directly behind the leader. While they're in this position further back, they still fly their references from the lead aircraft and just trust that the jet only 6 feet away is in the correct place. So now from the right hand side, the shuttle roll. As they roll towards us, kids, they can definitely see you waving now. But what you won't have seen, because they're flying so fast, is that those pilots are actually waving back to you. On the left of the formation as we look tail on is Red 5 squadron leader Martin Higgins. Higgy is the team's executive officer and has rejoined this year, having previously flown. Smoke comes on. Red 1 has now called the team into Phoenix formation for an emotional part of this year's routine. When they present Phoenix, Reds 4 and 5 on the outside of the formation will smoke red to remember our lost friends and colleagues, Flight Lieutenant John Egging and Flight Lieutenant Sean Cunningham, who were both tragically killed in separate accidents last year. We miss them very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is our memorial bend for Eggman and Sean. Continuing with the theme of remembrance, this year has seen the long-awaited unveiling of a memorial to the Royal Air Force and Commonwealth aircrew from Bomber Command who lost their lives during World War II. The memorial in Green Park in London honours the 55,573 young men who, all as volunteers and an average age of only 22, lost their lives for our freedom. So now in Vixen formation from the right-hand side, this is our tribute to the personnel of Bomber Command. On the bottom of the formation with white smoke is one of our first year pilots. That's Red 4, Flight Lieutenant James McMillan. McZ was born in the UK but moved to New Zealand at the age of 10 and eventually joined the Royal New Zealand Air Force. He transferred to the Royal Air Force in 2002 and became a Hawk flying instructor and Harrier GR9 pilot. With the smoke on now, the team are forming our largest formation shape. The 4 aircraft now drop to the very back of the formation, a Beam Red 7's jet. And just remember, they are still flying their references off the lead aircraft at the very front as they present Concorde. roll back to form eagle formation as the jets pull up into a loop at 400 miles an hour. As they slow down now to about 120 miles an hour, 6,000 feet above us, you can see they've reformed that one big red arrow. I said before that it's been a big year for the United Kingdom, and that we at the Red Arrows like to think we represent the very best of British. Let's see how patriotic everyone's feeling here today. Here's some red, white and blue. Let's have a big round of applause for Her Majesty the Queen and for Great Britain. On the left of the leader with white smoke is the last of our first. As synchro slingshot to the front, look to your left, ladies and gentlemen, for the 5 headlights of Enid. The inside pilots perform tight, matched barrel rolls to the outside of the formation in the rollbacks. Not hard to get what this is, ladies and gentlemen. This is Synchro's heart. Just before the display, I met 2 young men who are Nathan and Liam, and it's their 10th birthday today. So the Red Arrows would like to dedicate this to Nathan and Liam, who are 10 today and are very As Synchro finish their double rolls, look right, 45 degrees for Enid. They pull up in a formation called Big 5. And they're now twisting this loop in a manoeuvre called a quarter clover. Now get your cameras ready for the good bit, ladies and gentlemen. This is the vertical brake. So as Enid finished the vertical brake, look left and right again for the synchro pair. This time red 6 on the right and red 7 on the left. Closing at 800 miles an hour, they're going to cross 3 times in a 360 degree 6G turn in the carousel.